Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P is equal to 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? Okay, if this variable is about phones, this side of the equation is about phones. 108 minus 23D is the number of phones left. So this is the number of phones that Kathy starts each week. So it's B.